is my Fusion page. So in the page, client saying that uh, job is there, so they want to rename this field. They want to hide some fields here. Hmm? They want to add some hyperlink here. Okay, based on the user login, I want to hide some fields. Okay, so these are all we have to call it as personalizations. So I can say look and feel changes or cosmetic changes. We have to call as personalizations. So what type of changes we are going to do in the personalization that we are going to see one by one today. Hmm. Just rename the field, background color changes of the field. So this is called field. How to hide the field. Conditionally, how to hide the field. Hmm. So these are all we are going to discuss in the personalization topic. Understand or not? Okay. So for this also we require the sandbox. So what I will do first is enable the sandbox. Enable the sandbox. So how to enable the sandbox? Configuration sandboxes. Create sandbox. Okay. So now what I will do? You can give any name. You can give any name. Sandbox 2801. Sandbox 2801. Appearance. Appearance not required. Okay. So if you want, you can add. That's not a problem. Appearance structure and page composer. Appearance structure and page composer. Hmm. Appearance structure and page composer. Create and enter. Create and enter. Create and enter. Create and enter. So now what I will do? So till here, any questions, guys? How to enable the sandbox? Hmm. Next step is go to the page. My client group, process management. Process management. Click on it. So consider, for example, you have job field there. Hmm? Job field there. So I would like to change the job to job name. Change the job to change the job to job name. Change the job field to job name. I can say not change, rename. Rename the job to job name. So what I will do to do that? Tools, page composer. Tools, page composer. Mention the tools, page composer. Then go to the structure. Go to the structure. Go to the structure. Go to the structure. So you what you will do, you have to the job, click on it, job, hmm, click on job. So this will come. Structure, click on job. It was like that. You have to make this add up. Hmm? Rest on the navigation. First tools, page composer. Okay. Structure, job, select the job field, click on edit. Select the job field, click on edit. Click on edit. So your label is there, right? Label is there. Select this label, expression builder. Change the job to job name. Change the job to job name. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Hmm? Understand, guys? Or do you want to repeat anything here? Navigation.
Vamshi, after structure option, repeat.
So after structure, so basically it was like that. So you put the cursor here. Hmm? You put the cursor here. Which field you want to change? Scroll down. You make this up. Again, you can go here, this field, whichever the field you want to change. Huh? Whichever the field you want to change, edit. So automatically the here it will select. Hmm? Click on update. Like this. Okay, now? Do you want to show once again?
Okay, done.
Okay. Now, hmm? So let's say I want to make this field as required. Okay. Change this field as a required. Change this field as required. How to make this field as required? Select the job name, job name, date, show required, show required. Star mark will come. Star mark will come like this. Hmm? Star mark will come like this. That's all. Hmm? Star mark will come like this. Okay, right?
To any field, we can do this process, right?
Yeah, that I told you right starting of the class.
Okay.
Any page, the process and steps are same.
Okay.
So job name. Okay. Now change the BG color of job field. Change the BG color of job field. Background color. BG means background. So put the cursor here. Put the cursor here. Put the cursor, update, content style, background color change to something yellow. Click on understand or not. Select the field, edit, edit, content style, background color change to yellow. Okay, right? Anything do you want to repeat?
Sure, I want to show Vamsi.
Once again, okay. Select the field here. Select the field, edit, select the field, edit, select the field, edit, content style, select this arrow mark, whichever the color you want to mention, apply.
What is the color above Vamsi? It
Which
is
color?
like, yes, that one.
That one, font color.
Okay, okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
So I think previously it was black, right? Like this.
White it was.
Hmm? Okay. So at this moment, any question you can ask me. Now, coming to the I would like to hide the fields. Hmm? So there is a field called grade ladder. So this grade ladder I want to hide. Grade ladder I want to hide. Hide the grade ladder field. Hide the grade ladder field. How to hide? Steps are same guys. Put the cursor here. So as soon as you put the cursor, this is changing, right? Put the cursor, grade ladder, click on update. Grade ladder, select here, put, then click on update. Understand, right? Select the grade ladder, select here, click on update. So here what you will do, you mention the visible is there, no? Uncheck the visible. Uncheck the visible. Apply. Click on it. Understand, right? So now the grade ladder will not come in here. Hmm? Grade ladder will not come in here.
To enable again,
So
grade, uh, grade
select,
letter field is hidden. How to enable it?
select here, click on update. Check this. Right. Understand?
Okay, okay.
is the third one. Next, fourth one. So here we are going to add one hyperlink. Here we are going to add one hyperlink. That link press will navigate to another page. Here we are going to add one hyperlink. That link press we are going to navigate to another page. So click on this section. Click on this section. Click on plus. Click on this. Click on plus. Click on plus. Components. Add the hyperlink. So first click on this one. It will be highlighted here. Then click on plus. Components. Click on add. Click on add. Guys, if you feel that you want me to repeat, I can repeat, guys. But you have to say. So, add the hyperlink. Click on this hyperlink. Click on this hyperlink. Click on this hyperlink. It will select like this. Click on this hyperlink. It will select like this. Click on it. Expression builder. Change the name. Something you can change the happens. Right. Click on. Now I want to, when I press this link, I want to call another page here. When we press this link, I want to call another page here. How to do that? Just select this link. Understand? Like this. Apply. Click on. But this it is coming in the right side, right? I would like to display in the left side. It is coming right side, right? I would like to display in the left side. How to display in the left side? Select this hyperlink. Select this hyperlink. Not hyperlink, I can say select this area. Select this area. Horizontal is there, right? Click on update. Layout horizontal, make the okay. H line end is there, na? We can make the start. H line end is there, make the start. Apply. Click on OK. Mr. Anand.
Vamshi, can we add normal field with data without hyperlink?
Normal field not possible. Normal field not possible. There is another concept called descriptive flex fields, key flex fields. By using those, we can add the normal fields. But using sandbox,
In
using
in
sandbox,
this personalization, we can only change names and we can only add if we want to create separate member. I mean, assignment is member there now. Like that, we have to create one field. Then we can't create in this personalization box, right?
yeah, in the personalization, we cannot add the fields. Even if you go here, there is no option to create the field. If you go here, there is no option to create the field.
In the sandbox only we can't create fields in the sandbox.
Sandbox, by using the sandbox, we cannot create the fields, but there is a
Okay.
concept called descriptive flex field and
Okay.
extensible flex field.
Okay.
By using that, we can create the fields.
Only personalization, we can change the names and we can add whatever links we want.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So, so now what we are, we have added the hyperlink and we have made the left side. Okay, and then this link press, this page will be open. So let's test this one. Let's test this one. To test this one, close the structure. Close the structure. Close the structure, right? Close the structure. First to close the structure. Need to cancel. Otherwise, go to the select. Okay. So now what you will do? You close the structure here. Not here. You close the structure here. Okay. Then this hyperlink is there now. So click on this hyperlink. So, but here the problem is, guys. So when we select the hyperlink, your page is going off, right? Your page is going off. Did you observe or not? So this page is going off, right?
Yes.
So now what we need to do? This page should be remain and the hyperlink press. It should be open in another tab. Once again, I will tell you. So when I press this hyperlink, it should open in another tab. Once again, I will tell you. So when I click this hyperlink, so this page should be remain as is, and it should be open in another tab. For that, what I will do? Again, tools, page composer. Go to the structure. Select this one. Edit, and you come down. Make this like this. Select this hyperlink. Edit. So there is a option called target frame. So target frame you can mention underscore blank. Target frame you can mention underscore blank. So this is the keyword, guys. Just you need to write like this only. Underscore blank you can mention. Click on apply. Click on apply. And click on OK. Click on close the structure and test. Close the structure and test. Like this. So your page is there and it will open in another tab. Understand or not? Hmm? So once again it is clear. Okay. So now we'll do one more requirement, guys. We'll do one more requirement. So every assignment name behind that one code will be there. Every assignment name behind that one code will be there. So that code I want to print in the job details beside. So that means when we press the save button here, the assignment name it is showing analyst, right? Every analyst behind that one code stored into backend table. That code client wants to see here. For example, assignment name analyst, one code will be there. And maybe we have a different assignment names are there. Every assignment name behind that one code will be there. For example, assignment name analyst, one code. Maybe supervisor, one code will be there. Manager, one code will be there. So that code we need to display here. Job details and assignment code we need to display. Consider the example here, Barbara McCallum is the employee. So this employee assignment name is analyst, but we don't know assignment code, right? So that we need to display beside of the job details field. How we can do that? So for that there is a concept called EL expression. EL expression. Okay. So what you will do here? What you will do? So you have to go like this. Go to again page composer. Structure. Go to the structure. Go to assignment name. Go to assignment name. Assignment name. Come down. Edit. Assignment name. Take this by this value. This is called EL expression. EL means hash curly braces. This will be there. So copy this one. So background assignment name, it is storing in the assignment code. Copy this one. And what we will do, go to the job details. Go to the job details. Go to the job details. Job details. Click on edit. So now what we will do in the job details beside that, expression builder. So you remove everything here and write like this, job details, and pass this expression, real expression. Pass this real expression. So go to assignment name, there is a value section. Copy that value, this we have copied there. And then in the job details, okay, real expression, paste here. Paste. Just click on apply. So this analyst code is ET2690. This analyst code is ET2690. For your better understanding, what I will do, I will make the screenshot this one. I will make the screenshot. This is McCallum Barbara case. Okay. Now what I will do, close the structure. Close the structure. I will come with the another employee. Go here. Al Muhammad Abdullah. Okay, see now, sorry, this is the assignment name. It is changed or not? ET6289. See, previously it was different, right? ET is 2690. ET26289. So EL expression will change the value dynamic based on the requirement. Hmm? So this is the one of the real-time requirement which I have shown, guys. Any question you can ask me at this moment? Okay, close this. Hmm? So this is the existing EL expression, right? So this is the existing EL expression which I have shown. So we can create our own EL expression also. So we can create our own EL expression also. For example, so this report establishment field is there, right? So this report establishment field should be displayed only when dev, what is the name? Dev dot 39 logged in user. When dev dot 39 user login, this report establishment field should be displayed. When dev dot 39 login, this report establishment field should be displayed. Other users, this report establishment field should not be displayed. So that is the requirement. We'll tell you once again. So this report establishment field should be displayed only when dev dot 39 logged in. When dev dot 39 user logged in, this report establishment field should be displayed. Other user, this report establishment field should not be displayed. Understand the requirement? So how we can do that? So there is I have one document. Let me open that. So here, so this report establishment field is there, right? So this report establishment field. Okay, so there is a EL so here we have a EL expressions. So what we will do, security context dot copy this EL expression. So this is Oracle documentation, guys. Copy this EL expression. Username double equal to dev dot 39. So what this EL expression will do, security context dot username. So this is one of the EL expression. It will print logged in username value. For example, if you logged into dev.39, it will print dev.39. So what I am doing, for example, if I logged into Oracle Fusion as dev.39, so what it will print dev.39 equal to dev.39. Condition true or false?
True.
True. Okay, for example, if I logged into some other name, something like dev.37 equal to dev.39. Condition true or false?
False.
Like that, we can restrict the specific field to be accessed for specific person. So now report establishment field, tools, page composer. Report establishment field. Click on it. Report establishment date. So this visible is then visible by default checked. That means true. This is checked true. Huh? So now what I will do? Expression builder. So now it is true, right? True means it's open. It's visible. Okay. Now test. So now we logged in 39 user, right? So if I press the test, it is true or false? Tell me. We logged into Oracle Fusion as dev.39 user, right? If I press the test, it will become true or false? False, it is coming, right? So I think maybe it is checking as dev. Test. Understand or not? Okay, for your better understanding, I will put as 0, dev.30 test. What will happen? False. Understand, right? So exactly what it will happen is, what is the purpose of this one? So this is the EL expression provided by Oracle, and this will be print whatever the user logged into Oracle Fusion, that value will be print. For example, if I log into dev.39, it will print dev.39. If I log into dev.40, dev.40 will be printed. So this value and this value check. If it is matches, then it will become true. If it is not matches, it will become false. Enter. Click on OK. Right? Okay. Understand or not, guys? Load the structure. Load the structure. Hmm? So now we have done the personalization, right? We have done the personalization, we have done the EL expression, right? Okay. So before publish, I would like to see the how many changes for that sandbox. Before publish, I would like to see how many changes happen for that sandbox. How many changes happen for that sandbox? Hmm? Before publish, I would like to see how many changes happen for that sandbox. So after publish, not possible. So before publish, there is a option called download the sandbox. There is an option called download the sandbox. So before publish, there is an option called download the sandbox. So for that, what we will do here? Go to the publish. So there is a download button. So what is the purpose of this download? not only to see the sandbox changes. So how many changes happen for that sandbox? When you press the download, okay, so when we press the download, how many changes happen for the sandbox? Download as jar file. Download as a jar file. When we press the download, how many changes happen for that sandbox? We'll download the jar file. Just another. Just for download. So then it will be created dot jar. Okay. It will create the dot jar file. Understand or not? So this I will explain tomorrow class, guys. The purpose of this jar file. And after that, I will explain sandbox and OTBA, whatever we discussed. I will just recap. Okay.
I have one doubt. In this personalization, can we add any drop downs? There are a drop down in the personal management search. There are some drop downs are there. Can we modify it or can we?
No, just we can do that only just cosmetic changes we can do. We cannot modify
Okay.
any drop-down list. That will not be not
Okay.
possible.
Okay. If we want to change any name for the drop down also we can change, but we can't add or remove any drop downs, right?
Yeah, yes. Removal possible.
Okay.
Drop-down
Remove.
list removal possible, but adding not
Remove.
possible.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So Thursday onwards we'll start the data migrations, guys. Data migrations. Thank you. Okay.
Vamshi,
Yeah.
for exam sandbox, it is total sandbox topic.
Yeah. Tomorrow last for the sandbox.
Okay.
So sandbox is not much complex. It's 4 or 5 4 classes are there. So you go through the examples, whatever you feel. Okay. But we are going to discuss many topics, right? Data migrations are there, reports are there, and OIC there. Many things are there. Right? That is the reason I taken less topics in the sandbox.